Rainy days in the city are still cold and a little too wet, but compared to the place that I came from, they're not nearly as desolate as rain falling on marshes, making their beds overflow and shed brackish tears into the streets, binding us in place, each house on stilts, an island of isolation in this flooded little town. So this poem is kind of just comparing the very small town I came from to where I am now in Brooklyn. It always somehow felt a lot more isolated and lonely since there were so few people there.